Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Automaniac Anurag. Today we are comparing two SUVs, Hyundai Creta and Skoda Kushaq. Hyundai Creta being the market leader and among the best selling SUVs in the India, will its sales be dented by the new offering from Skoda which is only for India? Let's find out. Let's start with the pricing of this SUV. Kushaq starts from 10.49 lakh to 17.59 lakh. Hyundai Creta starts from 9.99 to 17.70 lakh. Mind that these pricings are ex-showroom Delhi, may vary from city to city. Now let's come to warranty offered by these SUVs. Kushaq comes with up to 4 years 1 lakh kilometers warranty and Creta comes with 3-year unlimited kilometers warranty. Now let's talk about the engine options offered by these two SUVs. Here Creta has advantage in fuel type, that is it's offering both diesel and petrol engines churning out 140 PS and 126 PS respectively, and Skoda has the power advantage offering only two petrol engines, 1.5 liter TSI making 147 bhp and 1 liter TSI making 113 bhp. Talking about the dimension, here Creta being the big SUV among the two, in dimension it is 75 mm longer, 30 mm wider and 23 mm taller. Now talking about the interiors, where a consumer spends the longest time in the car, it's totally subjective and according to your taste. Skoda Kushaq comes with 2-spoke steering wheel with 10-inch infotainment system, whereas Creta comes with digital instrument cluster with 10.25-inch infotainment system. Creta being more feature packed car, it offers 7 speaker plus 1 subwoofer Bose sound system, whereas Skoda has its own built 6 speaker 1 subwoofer unit which is Skoda made. Talking about the boot space, it can already be predicted seeing the dimension of the both SUV. Creta has more boot space, that's 433 liter than Kushaq which is 385 liters. Now let's talk about the number of features which are to be offered by the two SUVs. Firstly, Creta being a feature rich car, it has advantage and offers some more features than Kushaq, that are air purifier with perfume, digital instrument cluster, powered seats, electronic parking brakes, panoramic sunroof, all 4 disc brakes, etc. Talking about the Skoda Kushaq feature list, it's at par with the competition, offering many features like crystalline headlamps and tail lamps, hill hold control, ventilated seats, cool glove box, automatic wipers, ESC with 6 airbags, wireless SmartLink technology, etc. As we have discussed all the essential features which a consumer looks for in an SUV, let's find out which SUV you should go ahead with and what are its features you should look for. So Creta being big and more spacious out of the two, if your main criteria is space, then Creta should be your choice. If you are driving enthusiast looking for a good peppy engine, then you should go for Kushaq. And if your buying decision is based on feature list, then you should definitely look forward towards Creta. At the end, I would conclude that you should always have a valid list of features before you are buying which are looking in a car. And if you are concerned about the after sales service, then you shouldn't be having any problem with Hyundai. Skoda being German brand, parts and service could be a bit costlier than Hyundai. So that was all from my side. If you like this video, do hit that like button, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and do comment if you would be having 20 lakh rupees and have to choose among two of them, which one would you choose? Do comment. Thank you.